So I just woke up few minutes back. I got freshen up. The time is somewhere around 11:20. Huh? What do you call it? The yesterday, last night, I kind of what do you call it? Released myself. I mean, I jacked off, but I hope scammers don't do this. It's my personal life. I have to give this because they will, if they record it and they put it away, put in front of everyone, then what they will do? Everywhere I go, it's happening. The yesterday I want to say this is, uh, I knew the pattern. I knew the pattern from 20. I've been doing this research. So I knew the pattern from 2022, how they frame. What is the pattern? Huh? I stayed quiet and I tried to understand the pattern. And after the pattern, I also got to know what their personal wants are, personal needs are. Huh? Some wants a girl, some wants freedom, some wants to become, no, not a freedom. Some wants to, uh, what do you call it? Need some money. Some wants, what do you call it? That thing, what do you call it? How career, some are career oriented. So I knew that I have to see what their needs are. I could understand. I didn't speak. I didn't spoke all this time. But I understood what was happening. But I never gave it away, and I know the pattern. I guess yesterday, when in my Lalu Chejia, they must have got it that I know the pattern from a long time, but I never said it. Huh? So probably yesterday when I saw that on the television, the Taken thing, so the couple is not to be bothered for this face smash thing. If anyone is bothering them, the Taken, what do you call it? The wife dies and everything. So no one is no one to be blamed for, and you don't even have to ask for any kind of forgiveness. What you did nothing. You are living here. It happened in where Bombay, where several murder attempts were held, several poisoning things were done. Huh? I was poisoned several times. Not only me and my entire family was poisoned. So you don't have to take that burden, that face smash thing. But it has happened to me, unfortunately. And and next the James Bond thing. Don't what do you call it? Hire anyone to kill that girl. So what do you call it? I gave it. Everyone should thank that James Bond girl that before things go stupid. Huh? I gave it away at the right time. I know what has been happening. Everyone should thank that because of few people I decided no, take it. It ain't worth it. It's not worth it. Raw files are there. It's not worth it. And uh, what do you call it? So in return, who said I didn't get anything? I got the most beautiful thing. It's called my freedom. I am free now. I feel free now, so I could live my life now. I could because I need a clear head when I work on something, and I am working on the what do you call it? Book of the century. So I need to clear my head. I had this thing. The moment I gave it away, I released myself. I started writing again because my head got cleared. This is my life. This is how I live. I suffered losses. It's okay. From past 2 years, I've been suffering losses, Over that, I suffered more losses after giving it away, just like that. In return, I don't want anything, but I got the most beautiful thing. It's called my freedom, and they can enjoy now, and they don't have to be that stupid and that framing and all this stuff. And probably I already know from Chembur. The watchman from the Edinburgh, the moment I am going to go out, they know he is coming out, so they have to be out at that time. So to frame or anything, you don't have to do this. It's been discovered long back. I stayed quiet. Why I stayed quiet? I have to understand that pattern first. Who is the one? Who is pulling the strings? What are their needs? I got their needs. I have to understand it first. And don't get any fucking fancy for me. What do you call it? I'm not worth it. Okay. Maybe probably uh, I'm not worth it. I'm only worth for what? Working and partying and what? Nothing else. And I gave that too in my Lalu Chesia yesterday. I was happy actually that I am free. I am free after giving what they need, what they want. I am free. Have fun and let me also. And I am having fun. So I'll get back in my life. Maybe what I'll do now? I'll start working and I'll have fun.